All right, what's going on? I don't know what day it is, but been kind of struggling on filming lately. You know, you're just more focused on actually getting the work done, and doing the camera is the last thing I'm thinking about when I've got my head stuck up under that bow. I'm just gonna weld this, all this, a couple more TIG welds. We're gonna flip it over and do the UH hopefully today. Finishing up the bottom here. All right, so I'm going in for my first visible TIG welds on the back here. Put it on its side, hopefully it'll be easier on the flat. Just been practicing here. Trying to see what, I don't even know what filler rod to use. It seemed like I did better with the thicker filler rod a bit.
Come here and get your license, the weapons, ammunition.
Just got the boat back on the hoist, and then we're gonna be putting the UH on. Take this hook on. Got it all sanded out. She's looking good. Just tacked in these braces under the dash deck. Smells gnarly down there. Welded on these hooks that I made.
Yeah, I'm the fat guy over here.
And that's it. We're about to put the UH on. Take you through the morning routine. You should wake up, shovel snow at my house, drive over, light a fire. And get going on the boat. That's about it. Got the Movember stash going right now. I taking a little break on the boat this morning. My dad had to go help my brother haul a deer out of the bush, so gonna put some pieces on this rig. Get her dialed in because she's dumping somewhere out there. Got the UH on, cut out for the swim for the intake. Cut it on a 35-degree angle to give our weld some room. And yeah, gonna start drilling, tapping, countersinking, and bolting. And then we'll put our chine pieces on. We're gonna run ours out 1/2 inch and then have another piece on the side all the way up to, I don't know, I think here. Got all the UH tied in. Oh wait, what about the front?
Huh?
Our front pieces.
I'm out of screws, right?
All right, so we ran out of screws.
Well, what was doing these reefs as well? Well, here, fabbing up the swim rig. Yeah, things are going pretty good. A few modifications to the side to strengthen it up. And it also fits.
All right, just got the windshield tacked on. Yeah, I don't know, we just taped it up with masking tape, put it in the spot where it kind of fit the best. Looked at some photos, like I don't know, we got these or 1/4 inch in, and this we centered back here. And so came up nice and tight here, these cuts. a couple spacer pieces in there. And now I'm just doing little TIG sections. Just jumping around a bunch so I don't warp anything. A lot more TIG welding to go here though. Gotta go all up here, back there. TIG this stuff, probably some of my nicest TIG work yet. Pretty stoked on it. I still don't know how to like stop and start without being noticeable, but some of them are good. And yeah, no real issues on this at all. The old man must have put this together last night. Tacked it up. Solo. I don't know how he managed that. Guess he figured it out though. Looks pretty good. That's the 4-seat engine compartment. And then I got these pieces that go in the gunnels here. I'm gonna cache the seat.